Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll discuss about Anviz C5. It's a fingerprint and RFID access control device. Anviz C5. You see in the display, Anviz C5 is a RFID and fingerprint access control system, and it is a color LCD display, keypad, optical fingerprint sensor, and HCC, FCC, CE and REST compliant. It's a engine, FOS and ID card, IP connection, text message, and web server. You can use this. Let's see the feature of the device. Feature: it's a large feature, 3-inch wide screen display. New generation full sensor, waterproof, dust proof sensor, and support multiple display, communication, mini USB, IP and RS232, network connection, killer voice programming algorithm, and 16 different customized time zone and 6-digit card you can put, auto digital saving and support widget, time zone and progress access control real time, wall mounted 2-inch function, and user friendly graphic interface, Bio Nano V1 core fingerprint algorithm, and use USB plug and play connection, standard RFID, and 12-digit user auto time and attendance status, public and private short message display, directly lock control open, and standard 3000 users and 50,000 record. It's amazing, and it's an app for business. And fingerprint capacity, technical capacity. Here we can see the technical specification. Lock capacity, user capacity 3000, lock capacity 50,000, and communication USB, TCP, IP, USB host, and real one. And you can use fingerprint card, identity card, fingerprint, ID, password, fingerprint, password also, and speed, definition speed 0.5 second, card module 125 kHz to EM, RFID optional, and algorithm Bio Nano algorithm, FRR 0.001% and FR 0.001%, and voice input supported, multi-language voice input supported, and self dimension 16 or 6-digit working code, and short message you can use public C50 public message schedule yes, and daylight saving yes, and it's a FCC and ROS compliant certified product, and you can use 16 group, 32 time zone, door sensor yes, humidity 20% to 80%, web server yes, and support 20 hardware. What is the hardware in this device? And with optical fingerprint sensor, sensing area 22 into 18 mm, and LCD display, 3-inch wide screen LCD display, TFT display, and operating voltage 12 volt 1 ampere, size 168 mm by 130 mm by 37 mm, dimension 90 into 2200 into 35 mm, temperature -20 to 60 degree. Application, you see the application, the device, it's connected door sensor and exit switch, door sensor, an external power device with exit switch, and this is the IP connection. You can connect with the device with IP multiple location and monitors from a single location. Let's see more feature on the device. I told you what is in this. See the device. parameter I have told you already. Here there is I have told already the parameter. Appearance, high quality plastic, elegant display, TFT LCD display, and user friendly LED light bias mode. It's a bio nanotechnology fingerprint algorithm and optical fingerprint. It's waterproof. This is the design of the device. Intelligent management, cross-checks. About the cross-check software, I have made a video in the channel. You can see how to use this, how to optimize and management this, how to input data and export data, etc. All of the device, all of the software, how to how to shift management, working shift, payroll management, access control management, multiple software I have used. I put you in the device. You can side access control management and employee time management, support MS Excel, data export, TFT payroll, and all type. See the device, very nice device. Let's see the function, about the function of the device. Multiple combination use module. Let's see, it is the identification module such as fingerprint, card, ID plus fingerprint, ID plus password, password plus card, fingerprint plus card, and 6-digit card, and also using the door sensor, open door, text message, daylight saving, and basic web server. And door opening tasks, multiple language, and support wizard 2060 input and output. Application, the office, airlines, service area, multiple shop, multiple use. Standalone access control is a single door access control, just connect with door sensor, door lock, and the push button switch. And secure access control, access with door button, access control, and switch. And network access control use the multiple location, so web server connect with the IP and serve and connect with the device and just export. Okay, if you think the video is helpful for you, you can like us. If you want to buy the device, I am put the link in the video description box. Just push and buy. Thank you for watching. You can buy the device from Amazon, Alibaba, Walmart, Flipkart. You can buy the device from the video description link. I have put the video description. Thank you for watching this video.